Hello good people, welcome to the Rays of Sunshine with Liz and Justa together as Liju. And this is Vlogmas day 7.
Oh, 7.
Oh my
Going
god.
strong, girl.
Yay.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Day 25, here we come.
Oh yeah, here we come. Guys, keep watching, keep supporting, keep liking, keep sharing,
Keep
and
subscribing. And watch the ads, please.
Oh yeah, please, by the way, watch the ads.
Watch the
Please, that's
ads.
my money. Those are my cents. Please.
Na pia mseme guest alipa kwa hii YouTube channel. Imagine silipangwi.
Mungu nifunze kunyamaza. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be doing a t-shirt DIY where we are going to be
Recreating an old t-shirt.
yes, or revamping it, making it look better.
New.
Yeah, so I'm sure all of you have these campaign t-shirts, which sometimes they look so bomb and you don't want to rock or in it because ikona jina ya your promotion. So we are going to give you the hack of that. And enjoy
Because we
this
are cool like
video.
that.
Yeah, enjoy the video. And in case you're new to this channel, karibu sana. Here's
Please,
where we have fun and
spread the
sunshine. This is the t-shirt that we're going to be. Focus, please. Focus there. Unaona hii art gala thing, it used to be a funky in school, so we want to redo this t-shirt, and we have this fabric over here. This is just as fabric decoration. It's amazing, right? Yay, this girl is good. So now this is the sketch of what we want to, you know, create. Like we want to have butterflies from the art gala going up, right? Like so. And we already have the motifs sketched out, so we are going to cut, then transfer to this, and then to this using this wood glue. Using the fabric glue. Enjoy, guys.
So guys, we're done with cutting out the motifs from the fabric, and now we want to place them on the t-shirts and do the final parts.
Guys, we are done with the project and you guys are not ready. Oh my god, we did some small adjustments to it, and ta-da-da-da! Yay!
Look
Oh,
at that.
isn't it pretty, you guys? Look at that. Look at that.
So our art gala was here.
Yes.
So now we just revamped it a little bit. We added some details for it to balance.
Can you tell it was the promo t-shirt? Of course not. Hack. Thank us later. Thank us by watching the adverts. Okay guys, that was it for today's video, and we hope that you've enjoyed redesigning this beautiful t-shirt with us. And if you have, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly guys, subscribe
and watch the ads.
Yes, please. Guys, if you've noticed, I've taken some time off shouting out. I'm really sorry. I don't really have a reason why I stopped, but now she punished me on your behalf. We are back to shouting out, and today's shout out goes to Roxanne Achieng. Thank you so much, Roxanne. I'll force this girl to ululate for you. Thank you so much for
My
watching.
language.
And guys, if you want to be shouted out, you know what to do. Comment, then cross your fingers that your comment is selected for the next shout out.
You could be next.
Yes, happy holidays, guys. Always remember to create your own sunshine and don't stop shining.